Changing your Optimum mobile phone number is a straightforward process designed for self-service via the Optimum Mobile app or website. As of September 2025, the service is readily available, typically processed within 24 to 48 hours. Optimum Mobile emphasizes digital-first interactions, with the app handling most number change requests. This service helps protect against spam and unauthorized changes in compliance with the Telephone Consumer Protection Act. You'll need to verify your identity via your account PIN or biometric app login before starting. To change your number, you'll need an active prepaid Optimum Mobile account in good standing, meaning no outstanding balances exceeding $10, no fraud flags, and at least one billing cycle completed. Postpaid plans are less common but may have restrictions. Note that international numbers cannot be changed to domestic ones. There's a flat $10 fee for a number change, though it's sometimes waived in cases like account errors or security breaches. You'll also need to select a new number from available options in your area code. While the process is generally smooth, keep in mind that technical issues, e.g. network congestion, can sometimes cause delays. Optimum Mobile's $10 fee is competitive within the industry.